Welcome tech lovers, Ibrar here. Today I am going to set up Ollama and its model in Linux using Docker container. It's 100% self-hosted solution. My purpose is to use it with my upcoming DevOps video. AI is everywhere and it boosts 10x in AI assistant DevOps task. Here you can always find well-documented guide of every videos in the description below. Let's jump to the lab without any delay. You can find out all documents under the GitHub. Okay, so for deploy Ollama, you must have to complete some prerequisite. Linux operating system must be running, Docker installation and running, and Git if you are using to clone this repo. In that case, otherwise it's not required. Basic knowledge of Docker commands. So first of all, let's open terminal and see Docker is running or not. I already installed Docker, so you can see here Docker is running. And let's pull Ollama image. So I already pulled Ollama, but again showing you. Okay, and create a directory to run Ollama. Okay, here there are two type of Ollama. This is without GPU and this is with GPU. First of all, I am going to show you without GPU. Okay, and it's running. Okay, and after that I'm skipping this one, and let's check Ollama is running or not. You can see here Ollama is running. And it's run API on 11434 port. Okay, so you can access Ollama through the API, and you can check log here. And driver is nothing, total 64 GB RAM and available 28.7. okay, I am using my Dell server, so you can see here there are 64 GB RAM and 24 core CPU. Okay, now you can pull any running model here. Open a llama model. Here are multiple Ollama models available. You can download and use it based on your requirement. I will explain this in the GPU section, so no worries about that. And let me pull one model. Let me stop this one. I don't want it, and I want to run. Okay, I want to run this GPU one. Before that, you need to install NVIDIA driver toolkit, and after that just test your NVIDIA is available or not. Okay, so you can see here I'm using NVIDIA Quadro K2200 and it's 4 GB. Okay, so I'm going to again run Ollama with the parameter GPU all. Okay, so copy this one and paste this one, and it's running. Let's pull a model here. Model pulling take time because it's 3.8 GB and it's giving 5.6 in 10 minutes. So instead of keeping it here, I'm just pausing the. Okay, I have downloaded the models, and now you can see it's running. state, and we have already done this one. And yes, let's check how many model available in my Ollama. I already downloaded 3 models here: llama 3.1 70B, gamma 3 12 billion, and llama 3.2 3 billion. I have downloaded 3 model here. Okay, you can pull more model from here. Just let's say if you want to download gamma and 27 billion, just click on it, and after that choose your billion size, and you can see here the size of that models in GB. So once you select 27 billion, it's 17 GB. So you can just copy this one, not that one, just copy this one, and after that paste here. Okay, just docker exec it Ollama and Ollama pull and your model here. You can run model directly from the terminal, but I'm not going to use that one. Let me show you again for your reference. Is not available. Let me print model 0.12b 12b. It's running, and you can get help, available help here, and you can send any message from here. So I am not going to use from here and editing it. Okay, and you can stop Ollama, start Ollama based on your usage, and if not required, then remove it. And logs, you can check log. Okay, so Ollama is running. How we can check? I am going to add my IP address here. You can see here Ollama is running. Okay, and you can directly test it from the terminal. So you need to define model here as well. Let me check again. Model llama 3.2 3 billion. Okay, 3.2 available. So let's run. What happened? 3.2 not available model. Okay, it's take some time, but we'll provide you answer. And Ollama API documentation available on their GitHub repo, so you can take a look how you can use it. Generate completion, you can use post API with API generate, and the parameter available here. Okay, and this is general request for streaming, and if you don't want to stream, just pass stream to false. Okay, and there are multiple examples available here. You can have a look of these API. Okay, here you can see the response. Under the response, the sky is blue. Why? And it's available till here. Okay, so in the second part of Llama setup, I will provide this open web UI setup guide. So for this part, that's enough. If you have any question, leave a comment. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. See you in the next video.